So what did you guys see up there?
You're about to find out that it's all just starting. He's a monster. He created this.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम एक एक्साइटिंग वीडियो लेके आए हैं ब्राविया बार 8 साउंड टेस्ट का। वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड दिस साउंड बार सेटअप विच इंक्लूड्स बार 8, SW5 woofer and rear speakers RS3S. This can be seamlessly controlled by Sony's Bravia Connect app. तो इसके बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना के रखा है मेरे चैनल पे, तो उसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी। सो दिस सेटअप ऑफ सोनी सपोर्ट्स 4K HDR, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision and IMAX enhanced. So for sound demo, bar 8 and SW5 का पोजीशन फ्रंट में है and RS3S are placed at rear side with height of ears. और साउंड बार के साथ आता है HDMI 2.1 with 4K 120 support and produce excellent 495 watts of audio output. Bar build quality is premium. SW5 creates a rich bass and produces 300 watt max output, which is impressive. I like the design of SW5. It really changes the looks of whole setup. Subwoofer and rear speakers are wirelessly connected to the main soundbar. Before sound test, we have calibrated the audio from Bravia app and sitting position is optimized through app, which gives best results. So sound tests are recorded through phone's microphones, so it will compress some audio. So our review of this soundbar is really brings a theater-like experience if you are watching a Dolby Atmos coded movies. Additionally, rear speakers RS3S brings the total experience to movie-like experience.
So what did you guys see up there?
Milchick said we're famous.
All of us equally, or one of us is the star? Find out his wife is Miss Casey.
You gotta get her out of here. I'm tightening the leash.
There'll be no honeymoon ending for you.
Goodbye, Marcus. bomb were tough in London. You're about to find out that it's all just starting. He's a monster. He created an assassination squad.
Love this.
Yeah, lovely.
You always run off by yourself trying to be a hero.
Our threat levels are critical. We're ready to strike. What are we walking into? Back. I had my ammunition. I just needed to throw the grenade.
I'd like to ask you a few more questions about your husband's accident.
We need to figure out what we're going to do. I need to check this out.
You really think that I killed you?
Look, Watson.
Get the mic, lock it down.
Are you serious?
Watch it.
Wait down.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ऐसे कंटेंट पसंद है तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। थैंक यू।